Ivano-Frankivsk National Medical University is a leading medical higher educational institution in the western region of Ukraine. Our vision consists in developing an integrated system of training of medical and teaching staff, creating the infrastructure and the conditions necessary for personal development, mobility of teachers and graduates. Our mission is to prepare highly qualified medical professionals with high moral and spiritual values, competitive in the national and international labor markets, to develop and implement new technologies for improving the level of medical care both in the region and the whole country. The history of our university began in 1945. Since that time, the institution has changed much. In 2009, we obtained the national status. Today we are an autonomous, fully accredited university with the 4th level of accreditation, which is the highest that thousands of students choose our university to obtain medical education. Over 4,000 of Ukrainian students receive annually higher education at IFNMU. Around 500 students study annually at the IFNMU Medical College. Around 1,900 of international students obtain annually higher education at IFNMU and compose the students' contingent of 35 countries, which places our university on the 13th position in the top 20 higher educational institutions of Ukraine by the number of international students. The educational process is provided by 56 departments. Our students have opportunity to receive knowledge from highly qualified specialists, including 120 doctors of science, 101 professors, 549 candidates of science, and 347 associate professors. And these numbers are constant. Structure is well developed and includes 22 educational buildings, educational and practical centers, interdepartmental research laboratories, 25 computer and 16 multimedia classes, university clinic, publishing center, library, bookstore, museums, sport complex, modern dining rooms, recreational center, and dormitories with reading rooms. Our applicants can choose 3 different directions: professional education at the IFNMU Medical College, in dentistry, nursing and pharmacy, higher education at IFNMU, in dentistry, medicine, pharmacy, ergotherapy, and pediatrics, and postgraduate education at the Postgraduate Institute, offering a wide diversity of specializations for aspirants, and clinical medicine is the most popular specialty among Ukrainian and international applicants. That is why we try to carry out the educational process alongside with the wide use of technical equipment. For this, we use 1,002 computers, 145 tablet PCs, 9 servers, and 1 data collection system. Considering the number of students enrolled annually, the amount of technical equipment is sometimes not enough to provide fully modernized educational process. Back in June 2018, the IFNMU Postgraduate Institute was among the first in Ukraine to implement OSCE in the final certification of our intern doctors. It was a pilot project, a rather successful one, and was further applied to both undergraduate and postgraduate education. It has its own recreation center, Arnika, located in the Carpathian Mountains, which serves for the rehabilitation of students and professors, internship for students of the Faculty of Pharmacy, and for conducting regional and international conferences. Besides, this place serves as the training center for future ergotherapists. Is always ready to broaden international cooperation and is open to establish new directions of collaboration. For us, the key ones are expansion of the contractual relations, activization of the academic mobility, participation in the international projects, increase in the number of international students, comprehensive study of the experience of foreign institutions, including improvement of training centers, involvement of the international specialists in the educational and scientific work of the university, participation of the IFNMU employees in the educational and scientific work. Of foreign international contacts covers 38 foreign institutions from all around the world. The university is an officially registered institution in the Single Electronic Data Interchange Area, CEDIA, on funding and tender opportunities of the European Commission, within the framework of the Erasmus Plus program. It gives our university an opportunity to develop and integrate in the European community. IFNMU is a member of 4 associations. The British Medical Association was our partner within the Mumina project. Our university is also a participant of the Erasmus Plus program. Our first Erasmus Plus project carried out together with the Polish organization, HOP, was called Youth and Fit Synergy, which aimed at promoting healthy lifestyle, intercultural communication, and popularizing sports among the population. Contacts covers 38 foreign institutions from all around the world. The university is an officially registered institution in the Single Electronic Data Interchange Area, CEDIA, on funding and tender opportunities of the European Commission, within the framework of the Erasmus Plus program. It gives our university an opportunity to develop and integrate in the European community. IFNMU is a member of 4 associations. The British Medical Association was our partner within the Mumina National Medical University receives annual awards for being the leader of higher education in Ukraine and implementing innovations in the development of international cooperation in educational institutions. The latest ones were received in 2021 in Kiev, as even due to tough COVID times, we were working on the development of providing medical requires constant development. But due to the war in Ukraine, we face significant challenges in training our students. That is why we are looking for the help and assistance in the following directions: help with computer tools, servers, and technical equipment, creation of crowdfunding, opening research groups and appointing visiting professors, micro-grants, establishing partnership in project activity, especially mobility projects, giving students who can speak English the opportunity to take online modules with credits which our university will recognize, giving academics who can speak English the opportunity to take online PhD programs, access to the databases for staff and students, online libraries, support and consultancy for the university on internationalization, help in improving technical equipment for the Emergency Medical Care Center and the OSCE Center, support with mental health. Our university has started to modernize 2 main centers, Emergency Medical Care Center and Simulation Center. The first one is of high importance in this tough wartime, as Ivano-Frankivsk National Medical University began emergency care training not only among students and medical workers, but also among other willing people. Therefore, there is a strong need to improve the material potential of the university, as the purchasing logistics of this equipment is of the same importance as it is used in the academic process all the time. The COVID and war times have shown us that nowadays highly qualified medical workers are in great demand. Unfortunately, the war caused serious difficulties in several aspects such as financial, logistic, and academic, as all students had to complete their studies on the online mode, and it has become quite challenging to develop these 2 key centers. Welcome to Ivano-Frankivsk National Medical University.